Introducing the 2008 Lexus IS 250. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 80,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Lexus are offered, including front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, power front seats, and air conditioning. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.